Welcome to today's practice where we will be focusing on your neck and the shoulder areas where you hold the most amount of tension. Be it your stress, be it your overexertion, everything has a way to communicate and your body is right now communicating to you. And if you're here, I'm assuming you're feeling the same. So let's get started with sitting in a comfortable position. Relax your shoulders and relax your chest. First thing is to let go of that ideal posture that you're looking for and just let your shoulders completely feel light and weightless. So let's do this together by shrugging the shoulders 3 times. So inhale, lift up the shoulder, and exhale, just shrug it out. One more time. Take a big sip of air. Inhale, shrug it out. One more time. This time as you shrug out, exhale and close your eyes to notice what it makes you feel. Ready? Let's do it together. Inhale. Relax there. Allow yourself to spend this time just feeling how you're breathing today. Give yourself the permission to let go of any expectations that you have. And allow yourself to just be you. Noticing that breath that makes your body move. And invite every inhalation as this positive energy channeling across your shoulders and neck. And let this exhalation be your portal to surrender and let go. Slowly bring your palms together, join it in front of you, and we will push the palms into each other. Create this tension between your fingertips, between the base of your palms, and keep pushing it into each other. Push, 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 push. As you're pushing this, just push your shoulder rolling back and down. Push. Without disconnecting your palms, just let go of that tension. Still keeping your palms there and just letting go of that resistance that you had between. As you stay here, give yourself the permission to just relax and surrender. Let this mat and your breath be the portal to relaxing and unwinding. Allow every muscle that has been feeling trapped because of lack of movement, because of so much stress that you've been carrying on your shoulder, because of the discomfort that you have been carrying with you for so long. Acknowledge it and allow your breath to help you through it. Relax your hands, open your eyes, and start with dropping your head on the right side. As you drop your neck on the right side, push the left shoulder completely down. Push it down. We roll the left shoulder, lift up from the front, roll back. Again, lift up from the front and roll back. One more time, lift up from the front and roll back. Beautiful. Reverse the direction. Lift up from the back, roll to the front. Keep that head tilted, keep your spine straight if you can, and just roll through that shoulders. Bring back center with your head and change direction. Head going to the left, roll the shoulders back and down, back and down, back and down. Now we reverse the direction of the shoulder roll. You will notice that as you stretch the neck on the side and add these shoulder rolls, you feel that extra sense of stretch by imagining that pull being happening and you're breathing into that pull. And relax. Come back center. We'll interlock the fingers behind your back. And once you interlock it, bring it outside on your left side. Yes, roll the shoulders back and now drop your head on the right. Drop the head on the right and just stay here. Close your eyes, relax both the shoulders down, relax your body and breathe. As you stay here, just let both elbows go back and look at the right shoulder. And then look front and shoulder. 3 more times, 2 more times, and 1. Come back center with the head and shift the interlock finger on right side. Elbows relax, shoulder relax. Tilt your head. Breathe. Relax that spine. Relax that chest. Breathe. And we look at the left shoulder and we look forward. Keeping that head tilted, just doing this little flossing. Last one. Come back center. Lovely. Interlock your fingers behind your head and inhale, expand that elbow. Expand, expand, expand. Exhale, round. Get the elbows together, chin to chest. Inhale, expand. Exhale, round. Inhale, expand. Exhale, round. Inhale, expand. Last one, exhale, round. Come back center. Get your palms on your shoulder. Get your palms on your knees. From here, we just sink the chest in, all the way in, and go back. As back as you can. Imagine your knees want to push you down. At the same time, the chest want to go back. The weight is on the back side. Push, 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 push. From here, push both the shoulders down as much as you can. More. Lift up the chest and arch your back. Lift up. Push that shoulder back. And slowly come up. Let's come into all fours. From here, we will just take the right palm up and open the chest. Open that spine and look up. Breathe for 5, 4, 3. Allow your breath to help you stay here. And 1. We thread the arms through. Take your right arm under, drop your shoulder, and listen to the floor from your right ear. Left arm can be on the floor, relaxed. Relax that left elbow. And maybe you can stretch the left palm straight in the front. And just breathe. As you stay here, just lift up your head to watch me. I'm going to press my left palm down and I'm going to try to get both the chest on the floor. So sliding the knees back and dropping both the chest right onto the floor, readjusting the shoulder so that everything stays parallel to the floor, and I relax the head. Join me, let's breathe here. It's okay if your palms are getting squished by your chest. That's what we want. We want to stretch that shoulder. So allow it and breathe. If you're feeling any numbing and tingling sensation, just know that it's absolutely all right. Slowly come up on your left palm, lift up, come up on your palms with baby cobra, just pressing the palms and pulling the chest forward and opening that collarbone. Open and widen it by pushing the shoulders back. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Chin to chest, tuck the tailbone in and come up into all fours again. We do the same thing on the left side. Left palm up, open, 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 and breathe. For 5, 4, see if you can stack up both the shoulders, one above the other. 3, 2, and 1. We thread the palms under. Yes, shift the weight slightly ahead. Open and stretch your arms if you like, but make sure to relax that right elbow. Breathe. Slowly coming back. From here, keeping the palms wherever they were, just sliding the knees back. Readjust the left shoulder slightly to the left. And then lie down with your chest on the floor. Both the chest, both the shoulders parallel to the floor. And relax. Relax your face. Slowly come up on the elbows. Press the collarbone back, roll the shoulders back, lift your chest, press the palms, and imagine you want to pull yourself forward and press the palms down. For 5, 4, 3, relax the shoulders down, lengthen that spine, and then push back on your knees, get your knees slightly forward, and we go for our last stretch, which is puppy stretch. So get your palms as close to each other as possible, let the elbows roll inwards, and try to sink your chest down with the aim of armpits reaching the floor. Relax your head and just breathe. You can choose to shift your weight slightly front or back, depending on where exactly you feel that stretch. Slowly walk your hands back. Come up to seat. You'll take your right palm on your left shoulder. Left palm on your right. Press it, squeeze it, and pull it down. And breathe for 5, for 4, 3. Are you breathing consciously? Allow your breath to relax you. 2, and 1. Stay here. Tell yourself that you're safe. Allow yourself to feel expressed. This is your safe space, and you allow it to be your portal that helps you reach exactly where you want to be. Give one tighter squeeze to your shoulder, thanking it for showing up, and thanking your breath and mind to beautifully supporting you in this practice. Slowly take your time to relax. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I hope you feel more lighter and calmer with your shoulder and neck. Thank you.